So 6 weeks from the hip replacement. How's that feeling?
It's feeling great.
All right. You have any questions? Well, you're killing it, man. Good job.
I appreciate it. My name's Pat. Just turned 37 today.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. About 6 weeks out now. What brought me here to get my right hip done was some overall hip pain and struggling with tying a shoe, putting a sock on, going out to play with my kids and having overall just pain and wasn't able to crouch down on the ground to do Legos, things like that. So I really wanted to get something done about it, and this pain's been going on for me for probably 6 or 7 years now. So that brought me here. I ended up meeting with Dr. Cagle and coming up with a plan to get the right hip replaced. Day of was a little nervous with the outpatient procedure, but overall I'm really glad I had it done. Day of, I was shocked getting up walking within 2 hours of surgery, and just feeling tightness, and it felt awkward. Muscle didn't quite know how to react, but was feeling good. And then, like I said, I'm 6 weeks out now, and I'm starting to return to pretty much all my normal activities. Walking's completely normal. I always had a weird gait when I walked, and that has since kind of come back to normal. And I'm happy I'm able to be more active with my kids, and overall it's been a great experience for me.
Excellent. I always like to ask, if you have advice for someone who is suffering from hip or knee pain, what would you tell them now?
Don't wait for it. I did see a different doctor and was told to wait, and I'm glad I came here and saw you, and overall I'm happy with what's taking place.
Well, thank you so much, man. It's my privilege to work with you.
Appreciate it.